In this lecture, we will see how to create your own template. Here we created a lot of layers and we created this color and line type and line weight. Everything we changed here, and we created text style, dimension style, this title block and page setup. Everything we created. This all the thing we need to use in coming exercise also. So we don't want to again and again create this everything. We can use it simply to create your own template. Just go to here first, save this one, then go to the save as. You can click here, you can save as, or you can go to the file menu, select here save as. I just go to the desktop and select here this 3D practice, make it here for template, then save this one. We don't want these drawings and all, delete it. We don't want these drawings, and dimension also we don't want, delete it. But this text and all just keep as it is, because we don't want to again and again write this one. Just keep as it is, or you can select this one, you can place it outside also. Then go to here in model, select this one, delete it. We don't want that model also. So we need it, this everything. Just go to here save once, just save this one, then go to the save as. You can click here save as, or you can select here also you can save as. Go to here, select here drawing template, select here drawing template. You will get it here template folder. This is my template folder. You can see the location. You have to save it your template folder location. I just make here for 3D practice, 3D practice, 3D practice, then save this one. You have to confirm one thing. You selected here DWT template, AutoCAD drawing template, DWT you selected or not, you have to check this one, then save this one. Other all the thing keep as it is, then click OK. Now it is saved in DWT. So when you require, when you start new exercise, you can go to the new, you will get it here 3D practice, select this one, and if you click open, you will get it everything. You can see here title block, text, then you will get it here all the layers and dimension style. If you go to here annotate, you can see here dimension style. Then you can go to here text, what we made the text style, you will get it in Arial. Everything you will get it in perfect. Simply we can use it for coming exercise.